Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be solving LeetCode 206 reverse linked list. So we're given the head of a singly linked list and we want to reverse the list and return the head of the new reverse linked list. So if to solve this, we can use a two-pointer technique. So make sure you are familiar with two pointers. The way we're going to do this is we're going to have a pref pointer and a current pointer. And we're going to keep swapping until we reach the end of the array. Let's get into the explanation. So we're given the head to a linked list and we want to reverse it. So we're going to initialize a pointer called current to the head, and we're going to initialize another pointer called prev that's going to start at null. So this represents nulls. And what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the link. So currently 1 points to 2. So we're going to set the current pointer to the next pointer or the next value after it. And we're going to swap this link. So we're going to take the link and shift it to this side, which is going to point to null because the prev is going to point to previous, which is currently null. And this link is going to be broken. And this is going to be shifted here. So we haven't lost the link to the previous value because we have a previous pointer. So this is not lost, this value over here. Then we're going to get to 2 and we're going to swap the link again. So we're going to make 2 point to the previous value we have. And we're going to get rid of this link and move the current pointer to the next one and the pref pointer to the current pointer. And we're simply going to keep doing this until we get to the end of the array. Then we're going to move on to 4. And we're going to make a new link, make it point to the previous value. Delete this. Then we're going to move on to 5. Prev becomes the current, which is 4. And then we're going to do one final point. And this is going to move on to the next value, which is going to be null because 5 points to null. And previous moves over here. Now we're going to stop iterating because current pointer has reached null. And prev is going to point to the start, what used to be the end of the linked list is now going to be the new start. So we can simply return previous, which is the head to the new linked list. Let's get into the code. We're going to initialize a previous pointer to null or none in this case for Python, and a current pointer to the head. And we're going to iterate as long as the current pointer is not null. And when we reach this, we're going to save the next pointer. We're going to save the next pointer, which is current.next. And you'll see why we're saving this in a sec. And then we're going to set current.next to previous. So we need this value, current.next. That's why we're saving it. But we're changing current.next to previous. So we don't want to lose it. We're storing it right now. Then we're going to set the previous value to the current value. Now the previous pointer is moving to the current, which is going to be the new previous. And then we're going to set current to the next. This is how we're iterating because current's going to move on to the next pointer. And at the end, we can simply return the previous pointer. Let's see if this runs. Looks like it worked. Let's submit our code. It worked and it's pretty efficient. This runs in linear time oven. Thanks for watching.